In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your Epson WorkForce 2850 all-in-one printer. So when you see the paper jam, it shows on the printer screen that the paper is stuck inside. Now the first step is to remove any paper you have in the paper tray. So that's our paper tray. So we'll take all the pages out. Now at the back of the printer, you can push this down. So that's our paper stuck here. You can try to pull it out. If it's stuck badly, you can just open this section. So just take it out. Have a look inside. And if you see anything else here, you can just remove it. Now you can try to pull it out. So it should take the paper out. Now place it back. Go to the front. You can also open the ink chamber and have a look inside if any other paper stuck or anything is here. Once everything is clear, you can just close it. We just cleared the paper jam, and now we can start using this printer for printing and scanning or copying. Thanks for watching.